I want to make the top page look nice. Hello. Yumi here. This time, I'll be making a top page. After creating several dashboards, you might want to create a top page as an entry point for your boards. However, a top page is a bit difficult to design, isn't it? There are a lot of considerations like popular designs and colors, but I think the most important thing is when and how it will be used. Will it be used while on the move? Or while working? Will it be used whenever users have free time? Or will it be used for urgent situations? Will it be viewed using a PC? Or via mobile? I think a page that's easy to understand will differ according to the situation. This time, I'll create a page by first setting up the situation it will be used in. Alright. This is the top page I'll be working with. It's just a screen with buttons placed on the titles. Here's the situation I've set for using this top page. 1. It will be used while working. 2. It will be viewed using a PC. 3. I want it to match the Yumi channel's style. 4. I want it to look simple with few colors. Let's start making it. The top page represents the board's overall, so you want it to look as good as possible. When creating a top page, I pay attention to the overall style, theme, purpose, and use of the page. This time, I want it to match the style of the Yumi channel, so I paid attention to the font to give it a slightly more relaxed look. Fonts actually have a big impact on design. Of course, fonts affect readability and ease of decision making, but fonts are actually so important, it can even change the vibe a page gives off. Alright, let's stop here for a bit. Let's take a look at the effect fonts have. Take for example, this image. It's a picture of a cat with a title. What do you think of this font? Don't you think the font is too rigid, making it look like the cute cat is a bit put off? This type of font is called open face and it's often used for designs that are intended to stand out. I think it's often used when you want to make statements that are striking, like special bargain sale and limited time only. I also take advantage of this effect for the thumbnail images of my videos. But for this image, the title stands out too much and the text looks out of place. After a little modification, how does this look? I incorporated the soft ambience of the cat and the gentle background colors and used a softer looking font. It really changes up the look, doesn't it? Fonts truly are an extremely important part of a page. That's why I used a font that matches the vibe of the Yumi channel and created some images for button items. I prepared a normal image and an image when you hover a mouse over it. I set the image for the button's background and also set the image for its background when you hover a mouse over it. I've added text to the image, so I'll remove the button's display text. Using images is fun because you can express yourself in different ways. I've also stored each button in a container and there's a reason behind that too. If you store items in regular partitions, it takes a bit of time to adjust the size of each area. When you've decided, for example, I'll only use 4 items, as I've done here, you can put the items in a container then place it in a partition. Then, when you change the size of the partition like this, the width and height of the partitions in the container will be automatically adjusted. It's really easy. All that's left is to balance it out, add in a little bit of playfulness and voila, it's finished. The composition of the top page varies depending on its theme, purpose, and use, so let's start by looking at it from the standpoint of the user. If you think about whether it's easy for users to view and use, you'll naturally develop an image of the page. From the starting line to the next step. Let's motion board.